And we're the Woodsmen.
And today we will be on our homemade cookie time.
Woo! It's a good one. That's good. Alright, so it's raining kind of hard right now, so you might not be able to hear us, but for our stuff inside to be really wet, the rain's providing that, and we have soap on it, so you'll be able to see us, and we'll do tricks and stuff, and we might take a break because thunder right there, but for sure we'll be right back out here. So yeah. So our video is gonna be named. This is gonna be how to have fun on a rainy day. All you're gonna need is a tarp, some like Dawn or really good soap, and just rain pretty much.
And you need something to hold the tarp down.
Yeah, and you really want to watch if it's like lightning or thundering, because it can be kind of crazy. So yeah, this is gonna be me and Nick coming down. No. Did you hit it?
No.
Okay, good. Ready? Woohoo! Oh! This is our backstop. Nice and big covering. Here, if you just keep it down here, point it down here, and I'll show you it's pretty good at stopping. Nico.
It's not really that good.
Well, there's our thunder, and we saw a pretty good strike, so we're gonna stop for a little bit until it kind of cools down. So me and Nick are just gonna chill here and just wait for it to cool down. I mean, not cool down, what the heck. Wait for the thunder to slow down and stuff. Oh, that was weird. Good. Okay. Yeah, we had a little technical difficulty. Woo. Look how soapy Nick is. Okay, ready? I'm going down now. I'm going down. I'm covered anyway. For baseball, we can use these as bases. Oh my goodness. Now we're both kind of soapy.
Kinda.
A little. Ah, soap in the eyes! Ow! Down there we have a towel because all the soap, if it gets in your eyes, it burns. So. Whew. I'm gonna go down headphones. Wait. This is gonna be awesome. Did you stop it? Okay, ready? Nick. You're gonna come down. And I'm gonna stand on it and you're gonna jump. Okay? Don't land on it. Magic. Ready? Wait. I jumped over Nick, now Nick's gonna jump over me. Come up more.
Trust me.
Come up me.
I can't go any farther.
If he lands on me, it's gonna be something. Ready? It's gonna be pretty funny. I'm going sideways. Hold on, so open your eyes.
Jeremy, it's like, you gotta go sideways.
Okay.
And touch your head.
Now I gotta go sideways. Nick kinda clothesline me here. Okay, ready? Side. Okay.
How do you go sideways?
How do you go sideways?
Stand back, ready to watch.
Okay. Tutorial from Nick. How to go sideways.
So you just run, and you just, like that.
Okay. I'm going pro this time. I got it. Sideways. Whew. Okay. So let's just start over here. Open the eye. Ain't that the bird noise? Wonderful. I'm gonna go hit Nick. Wait. Now, me and Nick, we're gonna try to go on our feet. So Nick can go first. Okay. My turn. Oh, that was like a knee slide all the way down. He like kneeled and. Oh, that's cool. Okay. It's so hard. You can stop it now. This has been The Woodsman.
How to have fun on a rainy day.